All right, I'm gonna do on the fly, simple in-cabin air filter. I just got this in the mail. I'm like, man, I need to change this. It's been over 2 years. My wife drives this car a lot. And this is how they package it from Tesla, from the distribution center. Bam! This is it. Lovely. It's got thick carbon material. Oh, yeah, here we go. Made in Germany, so there's some quality to this. Not saying because it's made in Germany. Manufacturing date right there. That's the part number. We have a Tesla Model 3. It works on 3 and Y. It's got this little funny tab thing here. Anyways, I'm going to attempt to change this bad boy out. I've already opened the door and I put a knee pad in here. Got some couple of pry tools. Let's see. On the fly. Let's see here. Where's my flash? There we go. Let's see. Tesla gives you good stuff. So yeah, you can see this is the glove box, the entrance way here. The glove box. I'm going underneath, and it looks like there's a tab here, and a tab here, and a tab there, and a tab way over there. Is there any other tabs? Nope, doesn't look like it. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab my little tool, little pry tool here. Let's start on this one. Get this off here. Oh, that's pretty straightforward. That's it. One. Another one here. Oops. Now that one just came off without the additional piece. That's why it's good to have a plastic pry so you can get it out. Where the heck did that one go? Go figure. It's always rolling around everywhere. All right, I got it. I got the other piece. Get this other one out here. One of these days, I'll get myself a gimbal-like device. But for now, that was 1, 2, 3. Got one more. Where is it? Oh yeah, right there. On the fly. There you go. Trying to get these out. Skippity dee. Since I'm making a long video, I don't care taking my time here. So we got four little things here. Let's see what we got now. Let's see. Should it just come down? I forgot. Not sure. Oh yeah, maybe there's a little thing where you're supposed. Okay, I'm back. As you can see from the glove box again, you can see this thing hanging. It was actually wedged there, and I just needed to pick it off and pull it down. And now it's released. And you just pull away from there, and now you got like, looks like 2 wires right there that I need to unplug. Like this guy right here. This one. And this one right here. That looks like the speaker wire of some sort. Gosh darn it. Oh, I can't do it by one hand, but just know that I'm going to take this off and this wire off so I can remove this out of the way and move to the next step. Boy, it's just the little things, guys. So this thing on this little LED thing bottom has a little clip thing. My fingers are kind of fat, but you have to press this little thing down. Press it down and then pull out. Press down, pull out. You gotta use your fingers. And this one, there was no clip or anything. You just pull it out. And now you can see that right here. That was just pull out. This one you had to pinch that little thing and then pull out. And now that's free. And apparently the air filter is somewhere back here. Back here, you know, under the glove box. You have to pry and remove this stuff, which I have to like apparently get my pry tool up in here somehow. Classically, I can't do it on the fly while I'm filming, of course. Watch me do it when, oh, there we go. I guess it does just come apart. Oh yeah, okay. This is the first time doing this, obviously. So we're gonna remove this, I suppose. Yeah, okay, let's see how this goes. Hopefully I don't snafu anything too much. Like I said, I can use more strength, but I just don't want to break-a-roni any components here. Huh. Alright, let me pause the video here. Okay, woo! So yeah, I pried this piece. I found it, now, you know, this is like I said on the fly. I picked this out over here and I start breaking these loose and all these tabs from the holes here. And then it started coming apart since I loosened on the other side and this side. The middle one was what's left, so I can grab in both hands and just yank this thing right off. So that's pretty much this nice little felt piece right here, and there's a little Tesla waffle thing. I guess there's a part number if you wanted to replace it if you snapped it. Right hand drive, or left hand. It's got that design and everything, pretty slick. But yeah, you get the, for reference, I'm going to record this just so I have record of it. There's some components and stuff inside here. You got a little QR code, the number on there. Oh, you got a QR code right there. Anyways, that right there, my friends, is where the air vent is. So you got the wire for the speaker and the dome light again. We'll just pull back out so we know where we're at again. We're here, the glove box, on the spot. And it's located over there. It looks like I need a flat or a Phillips head to take this thing off. I think that, yeah. And then there's some sort of, no, I don't think there's a tab. I think it's just held on right here. Anyways, I'm gonna get a screwdriver real quick. Alrighty, let's tackle that screw, shall we? Oh, of course, I got the wrong screw. Oh, unscripted. My style. Nothing pretty. Come on. Wait a minute, what are these? Are these... What kind of screws are they? Are they star bits? I thought they were screwdrivers. Can't even tell. Are they square? Square? No, they're hex. Ha! Thanks, Tesla. I'll be back. Well, okay, after playing around with some sizes, it's a T20, guys. A T20. Guys, gals, sorry for my lack of inclusiveness, but I meant everyone. T20, so they do fit. Oh, wrong one. Anyways, that was just my test. So the one I have to actually remove is right there. Gosh darn it. So now I got my T20, and now, like magic, it comes undone. Obviously, you don't want it to fall down after you loosened it into the abyss. So maybe catch it with your finger. Wow, pretty tight in plastic. Okay, there we go. I don't want it to fall in here or in this crack or crevice and never to be seen again. Okay, so that's off. Oh, it just lifts up and that's it. Oh, it just hooks on the little teeth right there. Must be way up there. Yep. Oh, there it is. Yep. That's it. Just hooks on that teeth and just comes back down, and then you just screw it in. So you take that out. Oh, and the tab. I see the tab's supposed to be here to hopefully easily remove this. Wait a minute, how come I can't easily remove this? Oh, there we go. Oh, okay. You gotta kind of wiggle it out. All right. Wait a minute, is there more than one filter here? Oops. Oh, I think I only ordered one. I didn't know they had two in this. Oh, that's why. That's why. Whoops, my bad. Well, at least you know how to get the filters out. So one, the tab goes up this way. And then the tab goes, are they the same? Same brand, made in Germany. Let's see, yeah, that was 2022. Yeah, that makes sense. It's the same one, 2022. So it comes with two. Oh, you can see how grimy and dirty. I noticed something, the bottom one's more dirtier. Wait, is that the bottom one? No. Yeah, this was the top one. Top one's infinitely cleaner. I think this was the... Yeah, this was the bottom one. Yeah, this was the bottom one because I got it from here, and I got to pull up the tab and then pull this out. And then, of course, all the air... Ooh, is that a dead bug? No, that's a leaf. But look at all that crap that's in there. That's caked. And let's look at this side. Yeah, this thing's not as bad, but still needs to be changed. Anyways, looks like the bottom one gets more action than the top, so this one goes into... Oh, they give you airflow. Oh, when I ordered it, they just gave me one. That's interesting. See, this one you put it in, the airflow was the top one. This is the top. It's saying the airflow. Oh yeah, airflow came in this way, and then this was the bottom, and the airflow came in this way. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. There you go. Yeah, see, airflow. Airflow. Dang it. Okay, well, I'm gonna put this all back together. Put this in like this. Shove it in there. Yeah. And you just drop it down. Yeah, that makes sense. This would be at the bottom. You leave this tab out. Well, I gotta get another one. Well, all you can see now is you just stick the other one back in here as well in reverse order. Get them both back in here. We'll make sure they're all stuffed downwards. There you go. You just got it slid in the spot there. And there we go. That's it. And then just reverse put this stuff back together. Screw it back on. And that's that. This one's a tremendously nasty. Anyways, I'll get this all back together, all these components. This thing, the undercarriage, reverse order, put that on there, slap that big side in that panel right there, and you're all done. All right, hope you got something out of this. It's not the prettiest job, but it's just on the fly. Thanks for watching.